For enthusiasts seeking top performance, the best Traxxas RC trucks deliver unparalleled durability and speed. Renowned for their exceptional engineering, these trucks offer advanced features such as powerful brushless motors, robust suspension systems, and high-quality materials, ensuring a thrilling off-road experience. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best Traxxas RC trucks you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which toys and games topic you'd like to see in our next videos. The Traxxas Sledge is engineered, tested, and built to surpass expectations in quality, toughness, and fun. It boasts a robust chassis, a massive steel drivetrain, and ferocious 6S power, all contributing to race-inspired handling that leaves competitors behind. The new belted Sledgehammer tires enhance high-speed precision and control by limiting tire expansion and providing a larger, flatter contact patch. Powered by a 6S 22+ volt system, the Sledge reaches speeds over 70 miles per hour. Its 6S-capable driveline with bigger gears and more steel sets a new standard for durability. The Sledge features a superior chassis with a deep-formed aluminum plate integrated with a composite truss system and a patent-pending T-bar. This design ensures strength where it matters most. The clipless body allows for quick removal and replacement and is engineered to snap securely in place. Equipped with a high-performance Metal Gear servo, the Sledge provides powerful and reliable steering. The Volinion VXL 6S power system, with new hardware and tuning for the 2000 kV motor, delivers increased mid-range punch and hard-charging acceleration. Belted Sledgehammer tires offer game-changing stability and control with a wide, open-block tread design that maintains shape for more grip and responsive handling at any speed. The Rustler 4x4 VXL Ultimate, ranked as one of the top Traxxas RC trucks, sets a new standard in stadium truck performance. Building on the revolutionary Rustler 4x4 VXL, the Ultimate version boasts over $400 in premium upgrades, transforming it into an exceptionally advanced vehicle. This truck delivers unmatched strength, cutting-edge technology, and unparalleled fun, making it a standout choice for enthusiasts seeking peak performance. The Rustler 4x4 VXL Ultimate excels in handling with its adjustable sway bars and ultra-smooth PTFE-coated aluminum GTR shocks. These features allow for professional-level cornering and agility, while the 2.8-inch Gravix tires enhance grip and precision on hard-packed surfaces. Known for their quiet and fast-running precision, Gravix tires significantly improve the truck's traction and overall driving experience. Equipped with a Traxxas Link wireless module, the Rustler 4x4 VXL Ultimate provides access to real-time telemetry data such as speed, RPM, and battery voltage through the free Traxxas Link app. This feature allows users to adjust transmitter settings on the go and monitor vehicle performance directly from their mobile devices. Durability is another key highlight of the Rustler 4x4 VXL Ultimate. It comes fully loaded with color-matched aluminum upgrades, including an anodized caster and steering blocks, axle carriers, and a chassis stiffener. These components not only contribute to the truck's striking appearance, but also ensure it can withstand extreme driving conditions. The Traxxas Limited Edition XRT Ultimate stands out as one of the premier RC trucks, merging race-inspired design with the formidable power of the X-Maxx. This model introduces an entirely new platform, engineered to deliver exceptional speed and stability. With the capability to reach over 70 miles per hour, fueled by a 6S 22+ volt power system, the XRT is built to handle extreme speeds and aggressive driving. Designed for top-tier performance, the XRT features a low center of gravity and ultra-wide stance, which enhance its handling and control. This design allows the truck to confidently navigate at speeds above 60 miles per hour, providing a dynamic driving experience across open spaces. Its all-metal driveline consisting of steel 4-gear differentials, steel drive shafts, and a high-strength aluminum center shaft ensures durability and reliability even under intense conditions. This robust construction has been proven effective in the X-Maxx, enhancing the XRT's ruggedness. The XRT's chassis design emphasizes a lower center of gravity for improved stability and maneuverability. The strategic placement of dual 6700 4S batteries and the steering servo helps lower the truck's weight, further enhancing its handling capabilities. The innovative patent-pending clipless body system allows for rapid removal and installation while providing secure attachment and minimizing body flex. Equipped with Gravix race tires, the XRT offers exceptional grip and precision on hard-packed surfaces. These tires feature a new hybrid design with densely packed biting edges and sipes, ensuring fast and quiet performance. The Traxxas Limited Edition X-Maxx Ultimate is a premier RC truck, securing its position as the second best in Traxxas' lineup. This 2024 model elevates the renowned X-Maxx series with over $1,000 in advanced aluminum components and new belted sledgehammer tires, making it a formidable contender in RC performance. At the heart of the X-Maxx Ultimate's enhancements is its substantial aluminum upgrade package. This includes high-strength aluminum parts across the suspension, chassis, drivetrain, and steering, all designed to enhance durability and performance. The extensive use of aluminum ensures that the truck can withstand extreme conditions and high-impact scenarios, setting a new benchmark for toughness in the RC world. The X-Maxx Ultimate is equipped with the Traxxas Link wireless module, providing users with real-time telemetry data via the Traxxas Link app. This allows for precise adjustments to steering and throttle settings and offers insights into critical metrics such as speed, RPM, and battery voltage, enhancing both control and driving experience. The new belted sledgehammer tires are a game-changer, offering improved stability and control. Their 8.4-inch height and open-block tread design ensure superior traction and reduced clogging with dirt, making them ideal for a range of off-road conditions. These tires are complemented by the aluminum GTX shocks, which feature TIN-coated shafts and color-matched aluminum caps, providing excellent bump absorption and heat dissipation for extended driving sessions. The Traxxas X-Maxx stands as the ultimate monster truck, merging unparalleled power, massive scale, and cutting-edge design. It represents the zenith of RC vehicle engineering, delivering extraordinary performance and resilience. Equipped with a formidable 30+ volts of extreme 8S power, the X-Maxx achieves mind-blowing acceleration and top speeds exceeding 50 miles per hour, setting a new standard in the RC world. Its robust design features a composite nylon tub chassis, which offers remarkable strength and durability to withstand the most demanding conditions. The truck's drive system includes a shaft-driven 4WD layout coupled with sealed, hardened steel bevel differentials, ensuring consistent power transfer and superior traction across diverse terrains. The brushless motor provides exhilarating speed and efficiency, while the electronic braking system ensures reliable stopping power. The X-Maxx's advanced TQI 2.4 GHz transmitter with TSM receiver enhances control and responsiveness, allowing for precise maneuvering even at high speeds. Its 1/6 scale and off-road capabilities make it ideal for tackling rough and uneven surfaces. The truck features a spacious battery tray designed to accommodate two 4S LiPo batteries, providing extended runtimes and sustained peak performance. 4 AA batteries are required for the transmitter to ensure seamless operation. The X-Maxx is built for experienced hobbyists, reflecting its high skill level requirement and advanced engineering. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.